Hello and welcome to the Combustion Therapy channel. In today's upload, we'll be discussing the removal of the antenna from your 6th generation EK Civic, giving it a smooth, clean look along the pillar while removing a very slight amount of weight from up high. Inside the vehicle, just above the hood release cable, we'll notice a looped segment, which when pulled, will give us easy removal of the antenna. As we can see, this cable feeds into its female end of the connector just right here. Reaching forward, giving it a tug, we'll pop this out. Coming back up top, we can now remove both screws. Hopefully there's enough charge in this old grill to remove a couple of Torx bits for us. Watch for these small washers. And with that, our antenna assembly will come right out. Much longer than it appears. After collecting our block-off plate, I've come to notice that whoever painted this vehicle has done us an injustice. Since the new block-off plate is slightly smaller than the old antenna, this means that the visible paint lines, well, are in fact visible. Since this vehicle won't see paint for at least a year, in our case, this isn't an issue. Here's the part number for anybody looking to make a purchase. We can now go ahead, reinstall our 2 copper washers, and install our new hardware. I prefer hand tools for the installation of smaller fasteners such as these, since they often have no torque spec at all, or a torque spec in inch-pounds, which you often won't find a tool ranging down to such a low limit. With the screw heads clocked in the same direction, despite our paint lines, I do like this look a little more than our original antenna. This concludes our install. While just a quick upload, I definitely wanted to document this process for you guys since it shows the exact antenna cable and release point locations. Thank you for watching today's Combustion Therapy upload. As always, if you enjoyed our content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to be notified of future uploads, because this thing's hitting the street sooner than later.